to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and subscribe. Hit the bell so you are notified when I upload, because I do surprise uploads, so you're going to want to know if it was a surprise upload. Okay. If you are already subscribed and you're one of my little doll babies, hi doll baby! So glad to see you here. Today we are doing a collaboration with Kryssma, whom I love and collaborate with often. I do have a little number, all of the, like, I did the unboxing and all that kind of stuff. That'll be in the clips where I got this chick together. Specs on this wig is, this is a very inexpensive $20-ish wig. It is a full cap wig, so it is not a lace front, and I kind of showed you some things you could do to make it look a little bit more natural. She is a very silky texture, very long.
Look at those locks, look at those inches.
The 30-inch range. Because she's a silky texture, you're gonna want to definitely like keep up with her so that she does not tangle. I did use a little bit of dry shampoo just to give it some grit. Okay, she's a deep right-sided part, and yeah, let's look at her from the back. She might be, it might look like she's shedding. She's not. I was cutting and razoring some of her, so oh yeah, movement is good. I want to look at what she looks like. I feel like this area right here is where you give away a lot in terms of if it is a wig. This is definitely sort of like a, you know, cheap cosplay type situation. I do think that you can get a lot out of this wig for the price and what it looks like. Definitely if it's the winter time and you want to wear a hat on it, that would be great. But if not, there are ways for this to look a little bit more natural. My preferred way actually is to put all of the hair to one side like this and tuck a little behind my ear and then pull some pieces down that I razored. And so that is sort of my preferred way. I hate bangs in my face. I know some women really like that. I don't. So I would tuck her behind the ear, and this is sort of how I would wear her to make her look a little bit more natural. There's a tiny bit of humpiness here. That was just from the package. Putting it on the wig head overnight will help that. So for the cost and the quality, the hair is very thick. So I think that for a $20 wig, yeah, why not? It could be a cute little like braided situation here, a little updo, little ponytail wig. I sometimes like full cap wigs for ponytail wigs. So let me put her up and see what we could do ponytail style. But other than that, yeah, that's what I think of this wig. Sometimes you just want a ponytail wig, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, that's cute. Yeah. Do a little ponytail situation. That is what I have for you for this wig. I want to thank Kryssma so much for partnering with me again. I will put all of the links and the deets down below on this wig where you can purchase it. After I'm done talking, you will see how I got this chick together. If there's another Kryssma wig you would like me to review, please go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, because I don't really know what you are waiting for, okay? And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Say